Hello kids, how are you all doing? Okay, welcome to your English grammar session. Children, in this session we are going to start with chapter 5, articles. Okay, you have already studied articles in class 1? Yes? Okay, so children, there are 3 articles. Those are a, yes, and the. What are the 3 articles, children? A, and the. Yes? Now, you have studied also where we use a or an. Yes? So, before we start using a, an or the, let us see what are vowels. You all know what are vowels? There are 5 vowels in English. Yes? What are those 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters of English alphabets are known as vowels. Okay? So these vowels have a best friend. Do you all know who is the best friend of these vowels? A, E, I, O, U. They have a best friend and its name is an. What is the best friend? Who is the best friend? What is the name of the best friend of A, E, I, O, U? An is the best friend of these 5 vowels. It means that whenever a word starts with A, E, I, O or U sound, then what you have to put before it? You have to put an before it. For examples, umbrella. Yes, umbrella is starting with letter U. Umbrella is starting with letter U. So, U is a vowel. Yes. So, what you will say? An umbrella. Okay. Egg. Egg is starting with the letter E. E is again a vowel. So, what you will say? You will say an egg. Elephant. Elephant. E. E is again a vowel. You will say an elephant. Okay. Okay, now read this. What I have written? R. Okay, in word R, H-O-U-R, it is starting with H. But here, H is silent. Okay, we say an R. Okay. I left an hour before. R is घंटा. Time देखते हो ना आप? H-O-U-R, it is that hour. So, you will write an hour. And we write an also before an adjective, like I have written honest man. Okay, he is an honest man. So here also we use an, because in honest H is silent, and which sound we are getting? We are getting the O sound. So we will use an before honest. Okay? Understood? Now let us see where we use a. And children, a and an are used before a single noun, singular noun, not before the plural. Suppose an apple. Here, this word apple is singular. Singular means one. Okay, singular means one. A और an हमेशा single चीज के लिए use होता है. You can't say an apples. An apples. When here apples is plural, मतलब ज़्यादा many apples है, more than one. So you can't use an before it. Okay. So remember this always, that a and an are used before a singular noun. Now children, what are consonants? Like I have told you, we have 5 vowels. Those are A, E, I, O and U. These English letters are vowels. Now the remaining letters of English alphabets are known as consonants. What are the other alphabets are known as? They are known as consonants. consonants. For example, F, B, D, C, remaining letters except A, E, I, O, U. Okay, they are known as consonants, and we use these consonants have a friend known as A. Who is the friend of consonants? A is the friend of consonants. You will not say A. When you will use A as an article, you will say A. Okay, so here fish is starting with which letter? It is starting with F. So F is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So what you will say? A fish. Bag. Bag is starting with B. B is a consonant. So you will say a bag. Car. Car is starting with letter C. So what you will say? A car. Yes? Understood where you have to use a or an? One more important thing, children, like I am writing here. Suppose I am writing Anita is driving a car. What I have written? Anita is driving a car. I have used a before car. Okay, then I am writing the car is red. Okay, the car is red. When we talk about a noun second time in a sentence, Anita is driving a car. Now you can't say here a car is red, because we are talking about the particular car which Anita is driving. So the car is red. Then we will use the here. What we will use? The. Okay, the is used when we talk about something particular and specific. Okay, Anita is driving a car. The car is red. You will not say a car, because this word, this noun car, we are using again in the sentence. So we can't say a car. The car is red. Now let us see where we use the. Children, we use the when we talk about something in particular. Okay, we use the with the name of rivers, books, holy books, and the famous buildings. For example, I have written earth. So we always say the earth. Yes, we use the for earth. The sky, the moon, the sun. Yes, they all are the universal things, so we use the with them. For again here I have written an example, a name of the river. So what you will use here? The Ganga. Yes, Bible, it is a holy book. So what we will write? The Bible. Is it clear, children? Now in your Discovering English book, open page number 75, practice zone 2. Complete the sentences using articles. Dash frog is in the pond. A frog is in the pond. Dash fish is swimming in the aquarium. A fish is swimming in the aquarium. I ate dash orange. I ate an orange. We are going to dash market. We are going to the market. Okay, before market we use the. You will not write a over here. We are going to a market. We are going to the market. There was an elephant in our garden. Before elephant you will use an. Turn the page. I studied for the exam. Before exam also you will write the. A girl and a boy were talking. They went to watch a movie. Before movie, you will write a. Question 2. Underline the correct article in the following sentences. This is an egg. Underline an. He is a grandfather. Can I have the key? We will not use an. Can I have the key? He had a cup of tea. She gave me a toy. An octopus has many legs. Underline an. Now come to question number 3. Write the correct article a or an before each word. An apple, a cat, an egg, an ant, a pan. Okay children, if a word is starting with a consonant, you will use a, and if it is starting with the vowel sound, you will use an. Fill in the blanks with a or an. He closed an eye. This is a table. I eat an egg every day. There is a butterfly on chair. I saw an ape in the zoo. Turn the page kids. Question number 5. Which of these picture names have an before them? Write the article with noun for every picture and color the pictures. Okay, you have to do this question in this way. An apple, a house, a cat, an egg, an ant, a mug, an eye, a boy, a star, and you have to color the pictures also. Now, in your My Observation book, come to question number 8. Look at the pictures, write one of the articles a, an or the for them. Dash chair, a chair. Dash red fort, the red fort. Okay? A river, a forest, an apple, the Taj Mahal. Okay? Now, question number 9 is, look around the classroom, write the name of 5 things. Remember to use an article with each naming word. This is your homework. You have to mention 5 things by using an article also in which you see around your classroom. Okay? And you have to put article also in front of the noun. This you will be doing in your homework. Now turn the page. Question number 10. Read the words in the box. Write them under correct categories. Okay, few words are given. We have to write them under the 3 articles given. A, an or the. So in a, you will write pencil, train, chair, shoe and cup. Under article an, you will write igloo, orange, egg, umbrella and ink pot. Under article the, you will be writing Taj Mahal, sun, Qutub Minar, moon and earth. Okay children? Now question number 11, choose the correct option. We have to choose the correct article. Okay? He likes to eat an egg every day. Before egg, you will write an. The lotus temple is very beautiful. We are talking about the particular lotus temple which is very beautiful. So we will use the. If a singular noun begins with a vowel sound, we use an. I need a new notebook. He lives in an igloo. Question 12. Complete the following sentences with a, an or the. The teacher is teaching maths. We will use the here. Okay, because we are talking about the particular teacher who is teaching maths. The teacher is teaching maths. I had an ice cream. I need a new pencil. The red car is ours. Here you will write the. The sun is shining. Do you want a bag or a pencil box? Turn the page, kids. Question 13 you have to cross. Now come to question 14. This also you will be doing in your homework. Circle the correct article that can be used before each word. Okay? Now next, question 15. Write the correct article under each picture. Choose the article from the box below. We have to see the picture and we have to write the correct article. You write the picture of the noun also. Okay? An egg, a cat, a horse, an apple, a girl, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, an elephant, a dog. Okay? Now come to question number 16. Fill in the clouds with words of your own choice to describe an ice cream cone. Okay, we have to use describing words to describe this ice cream cone given. Then complete the statements given below with the right articles. Okay, so first we will write the describing words. Okay, adjectives for this ice cream: cold, sweet. Yes, ice cream is cold, sweet, yummy, and the crunchy. We are using this crunchy for the wafer. Okay, now we have to fill the articles in the sentences given below. I like to eat ice cream in an ice cream cone. I like the chocolate ice cream cone. Putting ice cream in a cone makes it tasty. Okay, now come to the MCQs part. Choose the correct option. Anya was against her parents, teachers and friends because she had everything. She did not appreciate anything. She was a small girl. The correct option is B. Anya wished that she had not run away because she was missing her family and friends. She was angry she had to sleep on a sheet. She realized how difficult it was to live on the streets. The correct option is C. Okay. Third is we use a with dash sound. Consonant sound. Okay. Choose the correct article to fill in the blank. She went to see the Qutub Minar. The correct option is the. She wanted to eat an orange. Okay, the correct article for orange is an. So children, you will be completing this work in your My Observation and Discovering English book. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.